So chapter 6 is about thermochemistry, and thermo refers to heat or energy. So we're going to talk about the energy changes involved in chemical reactions. So this time of year, people like to go up to the snow. They like to go skiing. We've got lots of snow this year. Your hands can get pretty cold, and so you can buy these little chemical hand warmers. They're these little plastic pouches, and what they've got in them is finely divided iron. And when you open them, that exposes the finely divided iron to oxygen, and this reaction occurs. The iron combines with oxygen and forms iron 3 oxide. So essentially, the iron is rusting, and when it does that, it releases heat and keeps your hands nice and warm. So how much heat you get off or how much your hand gets warmed up depends on several things. It depends on the size of the hand warmer, depends on the size of your glove, how well insulated your glove is, but mostly it depends on how much heat is released by that chemical reaction. Have any of you ever used those hand warmers? They're kind of neat, aren't they? And sort of mysterious too. Like, how can something just get hot all by itself? It's chemistry. So the universe is composed of matter and energy. And so we've talked a lot about matter, and now we're going to talk about energy.